Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today is agenda top 5 DBMS interview question and answer. Guys, really believe me, this is the most asked MNC question to prepare for you. Question, let's go guys. Starting for first question. First question is what is DBMS? Guys, DBMS is database management system. Is a software that allows user to create, manage and manipulate database. It provides an interface for interacting with the database, handling data storage, retrieve and updating and ensuring data integrity and security. Guys, in a simple term, we are say that DBMS is a software which helps to manipulate, manage, update data and ensure data integrity in a database. That's all दोस्तों. Let's go second question. दोस्तों, our second question is what is prime key. दोस्तों, our second question is what is primary key. दोस्तों, a primary key is a unique identifier for each record in a database table. It ensures that each row in a table can be uniquely identified and helps maintain data integrity and enforce integrity. It can be used to create relationship between tables. Guys, you read this, the you identify. Primary key is a unique identifier which helps to identify a unique table in a database. Guys, if you got a unique table and you want to identify a unique column in which table exists, then guys you use primary key. That's guys, you show example. Let's consider a student table. Guys, we create a student tables and you give student id, name, age. That's all दोस्तों. Then you guys, how to search student name in a student table. That's guys, it's help student id. Guys, student id is unique for each student. That's guys, I saw primary key is a unique identifier to show uniquely identify a record in a table. Guys, that's all. Guys, let's go in a third question. Guys, our third question is what is foreign key. A foreign key is a field in a table that refers to a primary key of another table. Guys, in a first line you also got it. A foreign key is a key with relationship primary key. Guys, foreign key is a key which relationship with primary key with another table. Guys, foreign key is another table, primary key is another table, but foreign key with the which helps to relationship between one tables to another tables. That's all दोस्तों. That's you read this definition. A foreign key is a field in a table that refers to primary key of another table. It establishes a relationship between two tables and ensure referential integrity. That means दोस्तों, it show a relationship between one tables to another tables reference. दोस्तों, we give a reference from one table to another table. That's all. It's given referential integrity, which means that data in the foreign key field must match the primary key in the reference table or be null. दोस्तों, let's consider example. Suppose we have two tables, order and customers. The orders tables might have a foreign key customer id which reference the customer id field in the customers table. This way each orders is associated with a specific customer. That's guys, you consider you are a customer. You, when you go in any booking app, then you book is any specific ticket, then this ticket is booked from your id, your customer id. That's so guys, it's called a customer id. It's called a primary key which associated with foreign key who exists in this app who booked your ticket. That's guys is a foreign key. Let's go in another question. What is ACID property in a table? Guys, ACID stands for atomicity, consistency, isolation and durability. These properties ensure that database transactions are reliable and maintain data integrity even in the presence of failure. Guys, its acid property is so that if your process is complete or not, acid property ensure that you work properly or not. That's ensure. Acid, it's give a four pillar called atomicity, consistency, isolation and durability. You so that, right? In atomicity, transactions are treated as a single unit of work. Either all operations within the transaction are executed or none of them. If any part of transactions fails, it's roll back to its original state. Guys, you see that uh, when you have sometimes transactions failed, then you show no amount debugged from your accounts because your transactions is failure. That's your amount is not debugged. Then guys, it's come to second point is consistency. Transactions brings the database from one consistent state to another. The database must satisfy certain predefined rules after each transaction. Guys, you saw that consistency means we work one and one. Guys, consistency, that means लगातार. Consistency, it's maintain a database is also contains a transactions. That's guys, and third point is isolation. Transactions occur independently of each others. One transaction's intermediate it invisible to other transaction until it is committed. Guys, you experienced when you done a transaction, though that time no other transaction is interrupt between your transaction. That is called isolation. That means you are separate entity is that time. Guys, and the last point is durability. Once a transaction is committed, its changes are permanent and survives and subsequent failures. Guys, durability means when you complete the transaction, that means your whole process is completed. That means the client side and user side both are the set from transactions and your data will be proper set. This is called the durability. And guys, it's gone a last question our what is normalization in DBMS. Guys, normalization is a process of organizing data in a database to minimizing redundancy and dependency. Guys, you so there is most important point, redundancy and dependency. Guys, redundancy means where your information is available for multiple folder या multiple files is exist in a multiple places. This is called a redundancy in a same information. And dependency means your information is dependent from another information. This is called a dependency. Guys, its normalization is told that कि your data in a database is minimizing redundancy. That means create your only one single file which a single information, and dependency is also minimized. It involves break down a large table into a smaller ones and defining relationships between them to improve data integrity and avoid anomalies. Anomalies means guys which data we are not using in a table. This is called anomalies. That's guys how to feel, how to enjoy this video. Guys, please comment it. And this is the first part of our DBMS 5 interview question, and after we create a next part of this question, we are coming in the next week. We are give a more question on the base of DBMS interview question most asked in MNCs. That's all guys. If you like, please subscribe my channel and please share this channel to our friends who ensure that everyone to know the DBMS basics question. That's all. Thank you दोस्तों. जय हिंद, जय भारत.